Well, it's been a year since the beginning of the pandemic. Doctors and nurses are still on the front lines battling the virus and earning the praise for being our pandemic heroes. But that also includes a ton of people behind the scenes. TV5's Blake Keller joins us to explain. Good morning, Blake.
Hey, Colette, good morning to you. Yeah, we hope you never have to, but if you do take a trip to the hospital, your well-being is top of mind. It's also top priority for nurses and doctors too. And in order to provide that immediate, gentle care, a whole system of teams and people are working in motion to supply the right equipment, supplies, and safety measures. Now, fortunately for MidMichigan Medical Center in Midland, they have a true MVP to make that happen. Check her out. Behind every healthcare worker is someone like Tara Tigner.
You know, she just gets things done.
And for MidMichigan Health in Midland, they're certainly glad they have her.
And she just makes it happen. Not always in the conventional way, but that's good.
The Coleman native is the hospital system's supply distribution manager.
I manage a team here. They take the supplies from the warehouse up to all our departments.
She got in the industry 20 years ago, working her way up from the billing department.
Got in and haven't left.
And while you're getting care all throughout the hospital, Tigner and her team are making certain staff is properly prepared to make your hospital stay seamless.
Definitely behind the scenes, but it's a foundational element to keeping a health system in play.
During the early stages of the pandemic,
since the pandemic, it has been, okay, what are we out of today? Let's find some so we can get it here tomorrow.
Since then, they keep an adequate supply to last 3 to 6 months. And then the flood last spring. Her team came in overnight to pull precious medical supplies from 13 feet of water.
It was the most organized, chaotic scene I've ever seen.
All to keep the hospital running in top condition.
The patient is definitely first with her.
Those are a few good reasons as to why Tigner was presented the MVP award by the hospital's president, Greg Rogers.
I was extremely proud of her.
I'm very honored by it, but it really should go to a lot of, my team. It's, my team coming together, crossing lines, doing this, doing that, and just really working their tail off.
And we are certainly grateful to anyone working in the healthcare industry. And by now they are more than prepared. But just to make sure everyone is prepared, Tigner and View go on rounds typically once a week to chat with healthcare workers and get them what they really need. I'm Blake Keller, live in the studio, WNEMTV5.